She wants to see her own picture. So she's shooting her own with her camera. Is it on a timer right now?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So make sure you got a good one, huh?
Yes.
Okay, look straight at the camera on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now,
I think I'm late.
Is your
What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to be showing you how to slay your makeup, or the makeup to do when you're trying to slay your driver's license photo. So the first product, as you guys saw, I went in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Orange Corrector. Now I'm going in with the Born This Way Foundation in Chestnut, and I'm mixing that with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in 390.
Hey, poppin' like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do.
So now to do a little bit of highlighting, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390.
I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up? I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of
To cream contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Truffle.
From the jets, save a couple hundred by your with the rest. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Ay, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too. Ballin' like I need to. Got my exes wishing for a redo. Smell the marijuana when I speed through. Hit her with the tip.
Now to set my highlighted areas, I'm using the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder.
I flip my wrist, a layup. She wanna lay up. I gotta get it, I'ma stay up. I'm all the way up. I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you. I'm a coach now. Commentating, do the most now. I be somewhere booted with my toes down. Make little baby tooted with her nose down. I prefer my.
Now to bronze and contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit intended to be.
Rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live.
So when it comes to any type of flash photography, I like a different undertone for the rest of my face. So I like to go in with these two powders. I use the Revolution. It's like a more orangey kind of undertone, and the Banana Deep just like tones it down a little bit. So when they mix, it makes the perfect color. I like that shade for flash photography. Oh Lord, flash photography under my eyes. And then I spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I don't know why I put lip gloss on right now. I guess my lips were feeling dry. But I just put my lip gloss on. That's the Colourpop lip gloss and Atole. And I'm just putting on a little bit of brown eyeliner. I didn't want to use black. I feel like that would have been too dark. And black just makes my eyes look smaller. So I just wanted to use something not as dark. So I used a dark brown. And this is the Wet n Wild. It's $1. You can use any type of dark brown eyeliner. And then I'm popping on my lashes real quick. I'm using the Lily lashes in the style Randy. And then I'm putting on some mascara to finish it off.
From the islands, came from the road, we from the dirt, turned to a dime. Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup.
Now I'm going in with highlighter, and I use those two shades and mix them to give me my beautiful beaming glow.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. What can I say?
And that is it. So now you're ready to slay your driver's license photo. Thank y'all for watching this video. Can y'all please give it a like, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. And that is it, y'all. Bye.
Set the table, you gon' see what I bring. I got a lot, keep me a knot. Staying hungry every day is a feast. Got a spot, don't make it hot. Coast to coast, but we reppin' the east. Yeah, yeah, still on my grind, taking my time. Stars alive.